The promise of a trade show is one of connectivity, of meeting people and creating partnerships, of gathering data and spec sheets and seeing the product firsthand, and maybe even closing a deal. For Raven Industries, a leader in agricultural technology, a trade show is something more. It's a chance to get out in the field and see the solutions firsthand, which leads to an interesting challenge. How do you run a trade show app when you don't have access to the internet? Using Umbraco Heartcore, Blend Interactive created a trade show display app that allowed Raven editors to create, update, and maintain content while still working disconnected from the internet. The app, which allows attendees to explore and experience Raven's line of automated farming technology, from finding product videos to signing up for updates, was built as a React-based, single-page app using Gatsby. By embedding all of this within Electron, an app that provides its own web server and embeds all content, we made sure content updates became app updates. Then, when reconnected to the internet, Raven would be able to access the complete set of data from their trade show users, giving them access to new contacts, requests, and potential deals. Building this within Umbraco Heartcore also helped create an experience that can be expanded for new products, allowing the app to eventually break away from the trade show booth and into the hands of sales representatives and Raven customers. A web app without the internet. We'd say we've seen it all, but that's the thrill of web development. There's always a new use case to explore.